Hey guys, we're back with yet another video for you, and this time we've got a brand new review for you. We're going to be talking about Forex Prop Firm and exploring the offerings that they're providing to their community. Forex Prop Firm is a proprietary trading company with quite a bit of history behind them now. They've generated a fair bit of attention from retail traders as they are presenting a really broad spectrum of opportunities for those aspiring to become successful prop traders. Now, as we consistently emphasize, the prop trading firm industry itself is evolving rapidly, frequently rolling out new attractive features to stay competitive within the industry. Now, with that in mind, we here at Forex Prop Reviews are dedicated to conducting thorough research and presenting you with information on the leading prop trading firms and the continuous updates that they're introducing. Our aim is to provide you firsthand, high-quality information about these prop trading firms so that you can select the one that aligns with your specific requirements and to make an informed choice when selecting the right prop firm. But let's jump in and check out Forex Prop Firm and explore precisely what they have to offer to Forex traders worldwide. And don't forget, as always, stay with us until the end of the video. We do have an exclusive discount waiting for you then. Alright guys, we are over here on the Forex Prop Firm website, and might I add, I really enjoy the website, the layout, the colors. I don't know, just a personal preference, but I find it very appealing, very engaging. But they are a fairly well-established player in the prop trading firm industry. They made their debut, I guess you could say, back in January 2022, and they've subsequently really flourished since then. They're situated in Montreal, Canada, and the firm offers traders a diverse array of 4 distinct funding programs, accommodating account sizes ranging from $10,000 up to $200,000. But let's dive in and take a bit of a look at the 4 distinct funding programs that they are offering to traders worldwide. So they have the one-step evaluation, the two-step evaluation with no daily drawdown, no time limit, two-step evaluation, and the instant funding. So let's start with the one-step evaluation program, where traders have to meet the evaluation requirements. You've got no time limitations, and you've got 1 to 30 leverage here. Phase 1 requires a trader to reach a profit target of 10% while not surpassing the 4% maximum daily and 6% overall drawdown limits. Now, during your evaluation period, you have no minimum or maximum trading day requirements, meaning that you can trade at your own pace without any additional time pressure. And by completing that one phase evaluation, you are awarded a funded account where you've got a 5% profit target threshold to then request a withdrawal. Really, you're only required to respect the 4% maximum daily and 6% overall drawdown limit rules, and you can request your first payout 30 calendar days after placing your first trade on your funded account, and additionally having generated a profit of 5% or more. Keep in mind that you will start with a 90% profit split, not bad, which you'll be able to scale all the way up to 100% by participating in the scaling plan. In addition, when you become eligible and request your first payout, you'll also receive a bonus of 10% of the profit that you've generated during your evaluation period. Now, after your first payout, you'll be allowed to request your withdrawal on a bi-weekly basis, which is on the 1st and the 16th of each month. Just keep in mind that you'll only be eligible if you've generated a profit of 5% or more, which I know you guys won't have an issue in doing. All right, taking a look at the two-step evaluation program account, really looking to identify disciplined and talented traders who are then rewarded for their consistency. Once again, you've got 1 to 30 leverage. Just keep in mind as well, you've got no daily drawdown rules to follow while working with this particular two-step evaluation program account. So in phase 1, you've got reach a profit target of 8%. You can't surpass the 12% maximum loss rule. You're only required to hit your profit target in 35 calendar days from the day you place your first position on your evaluation account. In addition, you also have a 5 minimum trading day requirement in order to proceed to step 2. So some time limitations here in this program. But step 2, you've got to reach the profit target of 5%. Once again, you've got your 12% maximum overall loss rule. This time you've got 60 calendar days to hit your profit target from the day that you place your first position on your evaluation account, and 5 minimum trading days to proceed to funded status. Now, when you get through both evaluation stages successfully, you are awarded a funded account where you've got the 5% profit target threshold to request a withdrawal. This time you're required to respect the 5% daily and 10% overall maximum loss rules, and you can request your first payout 30 calendar days or more. Keep in mind that again, you'll start with a 90% profit split, which can be up to 100, with the scaling plan. And when you become eligible and request your first payout, you will also receive a bonus of 10% of the profit that you've generated during both evaluation steps. So after your first payout, you'll be allowed to request your withdrawal on a bi-weekly basis on the 1st and 16th of each month, and you've got to have generated at least 5% or more in profit to be eligible for that. All right, Forex Prop Firm's no time limit two-step evaluation program account. Again, looking to identify, discipline and consistency throughout their traders. So you've got a 1 to 30 leverage and a no time limit period as well. So step 1 requires the trader to reach a profit target of 10%. This time your daily loss is 5%, overall loss 10%. As mentioned, when it comes to time limitations, you've got no maximum trading day requirements during phase 1. However, you are required to trade a minimum of 3 trading days in order to proceed to step 2. And then step 2, you've got to reach a profit target of 5% and same daily and overall loss rules, 5 and 10% respectively. You've got no maximum trading day requirements again, and 3 minimum trading days to get to funded status. Now, by successfully completing both those evaluation steps, you are awarded a fully funded account where you've got a 5% profit target threshold to reach to request a withdrawal. Again, always keeping in mind the daily and overall loss rules. You've got 30 calendar days. Profit split 90%. Get 100% with the scaling plan. And when you become eligible to receive your first payout, you receive a bonus 10% of the profit that you've generated during both evaluation steps. Again, you've got a bi-weekly basis payout, 1st and 16th of each month, and you've got to have generated that 5% or more in profit to do that. And then the instant funding program account. So that's looking at instant funding, skip the evaluation period altogether and start earning from the start. So really traders should only be focused on not surpassing the daily loss of 5% and overall drawdown limit of 5% as well. You'll be rewarded 80% up to 100% profit splits based on the profit that you make while trading with 1 to 30 leverage. Keep in mind though, you do have a 5 minimum trading day requirement and a 5% profit target before being eligible to request your first withdrawal. And after your first payout again, you've got the bi-weekly basis on the 1st and 16th of each month. And as you know, you've got to generate at least a profit of 5% or more. Now, to sum up some of the key rules that traders are always required to respect throughout all of their funding programs, obviously the profit target requirements for withdrawals, the maximum daily and maximum loss limits where applicable, any minimum trading day requirements to become eligible for a withdrawal at 5%. You've got a third-party copy trading risk and third-party EA risk. Now, I touched on it a little bit, but worth keeping in mind that all 4 funding programs have the exact same scaling plan, allowing you to reach a maximum allocation capital of a very small $10 million in 10 steps if you're starting with a $25,000 account. So to participate in Forex Prop Firm's scaling plan, you become eligible to scale your account by achieving a 10% profit and reinvesting 100% of that profit in this scaling plan in order to receive a new and upgraded account size. So this means that you won't be able to request a withdrawal and scale your account at the same time. You've got to make the choice, but you will be required to choose between a payout and scaling. So the scaling plan is simply designed to help you get your hands on a significant amount of capital by simply reaching, as we mentioned, a 10% profit on your funded account. So that said, the scaling levels are the following. You've got 25, 50, 100, 200, 400, and 800K, 1 million, 2 million, 4 million, and $10 million worth of capital. Keep in mind that when you're looking to scale your $800,000 funded account into $1 million, you're only required to achieve and reinvest a profit of 2%. However, after scaling this level, you are once more required to achieve and reinvest a profit of 10% per scaling level. Another thing you should consider is the increase in your profit split while scaling your funded account. So from step 6, which is the $1 million funded account, your profit split will increase up to 95%, while on step 9, the $10 million, your profit split increases to 97.5%. And then once you reach scaling level 10, your profit split will reach an incredible 100%. It's amazing. I think Forex Prop Firm is doing something incredibly unique there. And if that's not incentive, I don't know what is. But what makes Forex Prop Firm different from some other prop firms? Well, obviously, as we've covered, they've got 4 rather unique different funding programs. They've got very simple and straightforward trading rules. I mean, you can trade during news releases. You can hold trades overnight, over the weekend. You can also be awarded a 10% profit split from your demo phases. So overall, they're doing a lot of really great things. If we touch on the website here and sort of see what they differentiate themselves with? Well, earning 10% virtual profit from the beginning. That's what we just touched on there. The bi-monthly payouts. So the 1st and the 16th, twice a month. $10 million in simulated account balance through the scaling plan, and the 90% virtual profit split. So look, they're doing a lot of really wonderful things to make them stand out. But is getting the capital realistic? Well, as always, it's essential to see the trading requirements when looking at what's going to suit your style, because you can get a high percent profit split on a really highly funded account, which sounds great. But if then they expect high percent gains per month with low percent drawdowns, then it doesn't really give you the opportunity to be successful. But after considering that, Forex Prop Firm, in our eyes, is an excellent choice to get funded with, since you do have 4 different funding programs you can choose from to suit your style. They've got very realistic trading objectives to follow and receive payouts. So overall, we really feel like getting the capital is not only realistic, but is a wonderful choice to get funded with. In terms of payment proof, well, they're a prop firm that's been around for a couple of years now, and you can find a large amount of payment proof of their traders who generated profits and become eligible for that profit split. You can see it on the website, and you can also see plenty in their Discord as well as their Telegram channels, which I do encourage you to get into and be a part of their community. In terms of broker, our Forex Prop Firm is using Eightcap as a broker, very well known and reputable. You can trade on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And in terms of trading instruments, where you can trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies with all varying leverages up to 1 to 100. One other thing to touch on that I really like is the education and support for traders. So Forex Prop Firm does have a quite in-depth blog section on their website, as you can see here, where you can find numerous interesting articles regarding prop trader experiences and other topics to help educate their traders. And they do also provide a very, very well-structured dashboard that all of their clients can access, making it significantly easier to manage risk with all the trading objectives and statistics all displayed in one convenient place. All right, well, if you're a regular viewer of our videos, you know we love to touch on, at the end, some other traders' perspective about said prop firms. We're over here on Trustpilot to get some exterior perspective. They've got a bunch of reviews on there, a great median score of 4.6 out of 5, with the overwhelming sentiment being very, very positive for Forex Prop Firm. As always, though, I make the distinction that doing your own due diligence is very, very important, and we certainly advocate that. So all the good reviews, bad reviews, they're all worth taking into consideration. But as you can see, the overwhelming amount of people are giving very positive feedback. What I noticed is they're known for offering excellent customer support assistance. They'll provide you with support and assistance when you require some additional information or any issues working with them. People love the rules, the payouts, the high profit split. So go through and take a look. It's all very valid. But again, it just gives validity to how good this prop firm is actually becoming in the industry. And let's jump back to the homepage and wrap this one all up. So look, in conclusion, Forex Prop Firm, not only a legitimate prop trading firm, they're offering fantastic options to traders around the world. So really, we'd recommend Forex Prop Firm to anyone who's looking for a prop firm with straightforward trading rules, doesn't mind having a profit target on a funded account. They're very well established. They've got excellent conditions, 4 different programs to choose from that target a big pool of individuals with unique trading styles. So really, after considering everything Forex Prop Firm has to offer, they have great potential in our eyes to become one of the best prop trading firms in the industry. Well, that is what I've got for you on this one, guys, regarding Forex Prop Firm. Hopefully you found it enjoyable and informative, more importantly. If you did enjoy it and got some value out of it, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and social media pages so you don't miss a thing regarding the prop trading firm industry. Also, don't forget to check the link below to get your hands on the discount code for Forex Prop Firm. Yeah, just another perk of watching our videos. Great to have you here as always, guys. Take care in the meantime. Happy trading, and I'll see you on the next video.